Assalamu alaikum. Today's story is The Boy and the Apple Tree. It's a very touching story. Let's start. The Boy and the Apple Tree. A long time ago, there was a huge apple tree. You can see in picture. It loved a little boy very much. The boy loved to come and play around it every day. The boy used to collect leaves from the tree to make into a crown. He would act like a king. The little boy also liked to climb to the tree top. He climbed to the tree top. He loved to grab onto the tree branches and to swing like a monkey. The little boy loved to pluck the apples from the tree. He would eat them. He would often take a nap under the cool shadow of the apple tree. He loved the tree and the tree was so happy. The years passed, time went by. One day the boy came back to the tree. The tree said, "Come and play with me. I am no longer a kid. I don't play around a tree anymore. I want toys. I need money to buy them." The tree said, "Sorry, but I don't have money. But you can pick all my apples and sell them. So you will have money." The boy was so excited. He grabbed all the apples on the tree and left happily. The tree was happy. The boy never came back for a long time. After he had picked the apples, the tree was sad. One day, the boy who had then grown into a man returned and the tree was excited. "Come and play with me," the tree said. "I don't have time to play. I have to work for my family. We need a house for shelter. Can you help me?" "Sorry, but I don't have any house. But you can chop off my branches to build your house," the tree said. So the man cut all the branches of the tree and left happily. The tree was glad to see him happy, but the man never came back for a long, long time. The tree was again lonely and sad. On one hot summer day, the man returned and the tree was delighted. "Come and play with me," the tree said. "I am getting old. I want to go to sailing to relax myself. Can you give me a boat?" the man asked. "Use my trunk to build your boat," the tree said. "You can sail far away and be happy." So the man cut the tree trunk to make a boat. He went sailing and never showed up for a long time. The tree seemed to be happy, but the happiness was not real. Finally, the man returned after many years. "Sorry, my boy, but I don't have anything for you anymore. No more apples for you," the tree said. "No problem, I don't have any teeth to bite," the man replied. "No more trunk for you to climb on," the tree said. "I am too old for that now," the man said. "I really can't give you anything. The only thing left is my dying roots," the tree said with tears. "I don't need much now, just a place to rest. I am tired after all these years," the man replied. "Good. Old tree roots are the best place to lean on and rest. Come sit down with me and rest." The man sat down, and the tree was glad and smiled with tears. Everybody has apple trees in his or her life, and they are your parents. No matter how busy you are, share some time with your parents. We owe a lot to our parents, many teachers, relatives, and friends who have given us their time, care, and love through the years. Filial piety and gratitude are noble and great spiritual virtues to cultivate. We must show our gratitude to our parents and people who care for us. Don't hesitate. Don't wait until it is too late. Thank you so much.